The naming of colors has evolved over time and varies across cultures. Initially, colors were often named based on their association with natural elements or objects. As language developed, humans began to assign names to specific colors to facilitate communication and describe their surroundings more accurately. Early color naming was typically limited to basic distinctions, such as light and dark, or black and white. As societies advanced, more color terms emerged to describe additional hues. The progression of color naming varied across cultures and languages, but there are some common patterns. Basic color terms. Many languages initially developed words for dark and light, followed by red, yellow, green, and blue. These colors were often associated with common objects or phenomena. For example, red may have been derived from the color of blood or fire, and green from foliage or plants. Color naming systems. Different cultures developed distinct color naming systems. Some languages expanded their basic color terms to include additional hues, while others grouped colors differently. For instance, some cultures classified shades of blue and green as a single color category, using a single term to describe both. Cultural associations. Cultural factors influenced color naming. Colors often acquired symbolic meanings, reflecting cultural beliefs, traditions, or experiences. For example, in Western cultures, white is commonly associated with purity or innocence, while in some Asian cultures, it symbolizes mourning. Technological and scientific advances, the discovery of new pigments, dyes, and materials throughout history expanded the range of colors that could be observed and named. Advancements in science, art, and technology introduced new color terms to describe previously unseen or unnamed hues. Standardization. As societies became more interconnected, efforts were made to standardize color naming. Systems like the Pantone Matching System, PMS, and the Munsell color system were developed to establish consistent color references for industries such as design, printing, and manufacturing. It's important to note that the naming of colors can vary significantly across languages and cultures. Some languages have a more extensive color vocabulary, while others may have fewer distinct color terms. Furthermore, individual perception of color can also vary, leading to subjective interpretations and categorizations.